students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Hassan Sheikh. I hope you are fine, fresh, safe and sound, and you enjoy the colors and beauties of life. Welcome to online classes. I have made this YouTube channel in order to provide you latest videos and lectures of my various subjects. You are requested to subscribe this channel for more videos and lectures. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic concerned with the student's life. Every student comes to me and complains about delivering a perfect presentation in the class. Most of the students, a large number of students come towards different teachers, come to me and request, sir, kindly say to us, guide us how to deliver a class presentations. Dear students, most of the audience, most of the students in the class do not deliver presentation successfully. They forget what the material they had remembered because of failure, hesitation, fear, and inappropriate preparation. So these are some of the causes which shatter your confidence or level of your knowledge. So today I have made this video, I have said this video in order to solve this long standing problem and give you certain ways and options, concepts which can help you to deliver a class presentation successfully. So dear students, moving towards topic, the topic is making an oral presentation. How students come towards rostrum dice, that is just a piece of wood, and it perplexes you, it shatters your confidence. So I am giving you a very effective remedy to cure this issue, to cure this problem. Dear students, first of all, follow these points. What are these points? Number one, be prepared. Second, know your audience. Number three, be positive. Don't read your presentation. Provide examples. Use visual aids. Maintain eye contact. Actively involve your audience. Use your voice effectively and on a high note. I define, I explain each point. So first of all, make sure that you have completely prepared yourself. Practice your presentation until you feel comfortable. And remember, questions may be asked from you because a large number of students are sitting in the class and they have different questions in mind, and you have to deliver answers satisfactorily. Number second comes, know your audience. Here audience means listeners, viewers, the people who are sitting in front of you. You have to set your presentation, tailor your presentation, make your presentation, design your presentation according to the level of these listeners, these audience. Then comes be positive. Every subject, every topic has positive and negative sides, dark sides and bright aspects. So you have to present positive aspects of the topic. We should not go into the details of the negativity. Just bring positive aspects. Then comes, do not read your presentation. Most of the students come and start reading this paper. By doing this, their marks are deducted. They are not taking marks. They do not display a proper quality of confidence. So when you prepare yourself in the best possible way, I'm confident that you will not need to read your presentation. Provide examples. Examples are very important. Whenever you pick any topic, whenever you discuss any topic, whenever you come to set out any topic, as I have taken these slides. These slides are with me. With the help of these slides, I just make your concepts clear and I provide information. Visual aids. This is the topic of visual aids. In visual aids, we have charts, transparencies, slides, and other material. So, in order to design visual aids, try to design simple, interesting and arresting slides or transparencies or charts so that the students do not lose their attention, rather they could develop their interest to watch it, look at these points properly. Then comes maintain eye contact. Eye contact is a very significant element in your presentation. Shift your attention to every student from this side to this side. Do not look at the one aspect, just move your eyes here and there in order to notice that everybody is looking at you, everybody is watching you, everybody is present in your class and everybody is completely engaged with you. Then comes actively involve your audience. Involvement of listeners, viewers is very important. When you involve your audience, they develop their interest. They are mentally with you. No doubt they are physically listening to you, but when you actively involve them, their minds, their attention is completely with you. Try to develop your lecture, your presentation, your demonstration in a sweet way, in a good way, so that everybody could listen you properly with attention. Use your voice effectively. Vary the tone of your voice so that everybody can listen you in the class. It does not mean that the student sitting in the front row could listen you. Everybody, even a student sitting at the corner of the class or to that corner of the class must listen you, watch you and you follow you completely. Then comes end on a high note. This is very important point. End on a high note means leave something very important for a student. They should think over it. What a subject, what a good material you have given them. These are some of the key points, ladies and gentlemen, I shared with you. If you follow these points, if you act upon this formula, I'm sure you will succeed in your presentation and get higher marks, high score, because when you come with the preparation, if you follow be prepared, know your audience, be positive, don't read your presentation, provide examples, use visual aids, maintain eye contact, actively involve your audience, use your voice effectively and on a high note. These are some of the key areas which you need to follow in order to be successful in your class, in your practical life. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you.